Hey, what's going on, guys? We got another package video. I'm gonna be unboxing these boards from Revive Skateboards. They have this cool bundle that's like the price of one board, but you get two boards. They're a mystery, so I don't know what boards I got, but we're gonna go ahead and open it. I also got some sort of like fancy John Hill vibe going on. Maybe we'll get one of John Hill's decks because John Hill's pretty awesome. But if not, all the other designs that were in this category looked pretty cool, so I think we'll be happy either way. So let's open this up. I'm super excited about this. I haven't got a new skateboard in a while, and I'm trying an 8, just straight up 8 size. So we'll see how this is once we open them up. But I'm gonna let you guys vote in the comments to see which one you want me to set up in the next video, because I think this video opening these might be the last video that I use my Sickle Pop skateboard over there. So we get to see which one we're gonna set up, because I'll probably make a setup video as well. I'm gonna open it upside down because I think the designs, yeah. So they sent us 2 sheets of Jessup. I usually skate Mob, but Jessup doesn't feel too bad. I've skated Jessup before, not a big deal. Some nice little skate stickers, a couple more stickers, and here's the first board. Like I said, I got an 8, and let's see what the design is. Hey, okay. That's freaking cool though. Doug. That's a really cool design. I like how clean it is, like the white and blue and green. Sweet. And the second board we got. Ooh. One of the cool little monster boards. They had these black and white like Halloween boards. I was hoping to get one of those, but these ones are freaking awesome too. Like I said, I ordered from this bundle because no matter what the mystery was, they were really cool boards. So yeah, now that we opened these, you guys let me know which one I should set up. If nobody comments, I'll probably have to ask my wife and see which one I want to set up. So yeah, sweet.
And now we gotta grab this bad boy that I designed myself and probably get the last skate session with this before we have a new setup video. So let's go skate.
All right, so I think I'm gonna warm up on the rail because I'm trying to get better at board slides and stuff and then learn new grinds. But we're gonna warm up with a couple of board slides, maybe try some frontside board slides. And then there's a couple of little spots. I don't know how they are, but I've driven past them in this neighborhood a few times. So I figured it'd be fun to just kind of tinker around with some street spots and get myself ready for bigger street spots with these small little baby ones. So. All right, so it's really hot out here. So parts of the rail are really sticky and parts of the rail are really slippery and slick. So we're gonna go a few tries, see how it is. And if it sucks, then we'll just go to the new spots. So let's skate this rail. Really want to learn how to do backside, or is that front side board slide. But it's so weird to like have to like turn around and like look that way. Not too bad. Figured out my problem. When I do my backside 180s, frontside 180s, whatever, I lean forward a little too much because I'm trying to get my head turned around. So that's why my board kept getting kicked out from behind me. I lean back a little bit more. I'm actually standing up straight, even though it feels like I'm leaning back. I could do it, but it's getting hot. I don't want to waste some energy on the rail, so let's go hit that first spot and see what we can do. All right, so like I said, it's pretty mellow. There's just like a little gap to the sidewalk. Figured I could do some little fun things there, and it kind of goes down like a ramp, but it's not super high, so it's really mellow, but it looked like it'd be fun to tinker with, so let's see what we can do. right, the next stop is basically gonna be my first gap since I started skating again. It's pretty mellow, it's maybe like the size of a 2-stair, but it's a little scary because it goes from the bumpy sidewalk that hopefully my wheels don't get stuck in, over a little grass gap, and then into a pretty sketchy part of the main road. So we'll see if we can get it there, and then we'll probably end on that. So let's go see if we can do anything cool. It's right here, this little gap right here. It's not too scary, but we'll see. So I think the roll up isn't too bad. There's this, and then this crack's pretty bad, but it's going down, so I think I'll roll over it and then just ignore that thing. But the sketchy part of the landing is coming off the side here and not getting caught on that. So we got to ollie pretty far out, but we'll see. See, that's the other thing. We're on the main road, so cars keep coming, and I don't know when to go. Maybe the other directions roll ups a little better. That hurt really bad. My board stabbed my leg and I rolled my ankle a little bit, but my adrenaline's high, so it doesn't hurt yet. But I think I need to start my gaps with something that's a little more straight to the point, like just ollieing off a curb or a 2-stair, or something that I can roll straight at, because going sideways and looking at the sketchy street, I don't feel good doing it. Need more experience, so we're gonna call that a fail. I did not want to end on a defeat, so I'm gonna go to where I should have started, which is a curb, which is essentially a 1-stair. And it's a straight roll up, so I can just practice going, ollieing off, or doing any other tricks off. So we're gonna end the video doing that, this 1-stair, basically, which is probably where I should have started before I went and did that sketchy road, main street gap. So, anywho, to the curb. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.